All right, here is how to get started on question 1A in the formative, rotating a shape 90 degrees clockwise about that origin. I am just going to create little triangles to each point, starting with point F. So to get to point F, I start at the origin, and I have to go over 1, and I have to go up 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I create my triangle there. Now, if you can picture this, what's going to happen is this triangle is going to fall 90 degrees. So this little piece right here that was once on the x-axis is going to fall and now be on the y-axis. So instead of going to the left 1, we're going to go up 1. Where we used to go up 1, 2, 3, that has fallen and it's now going over to the right 1, 2, 3. And my triangle has fallen down. So my new point F is going to be right there. That is my new F prime. I'll do a capital F prime. Okay. Now what I do is I try to erase these triangles now that I have my point. And I make another triangle to what I will do for B. Okay, so I start at the origin. I have to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 1. There's my triangle. Again, this triangle is going to rotate upwards, so what used to lay on the x-axis is going to go 90 degrees, and it's now going to lay on the y-axis. So instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. And where we used to go 1 up, we are now going to go 1 over to the right. And if I complete my triangle, that's where my point B prime is going to be, up here. That's going to be my B prime. Okay. Again, I erase my triangles, and I choose a new point to make a triangle to. The next one could be H, which if we start at the origin would be over 1, down 2 to H, and we're going to rotate that point where it used to lay there. It's going to rotate up onto the axis again. So this is going to be my short hint guide. If you want to see the final 2 points, if this wasn't as helpful for you, just let me know.